Hi, good to see you. Are you ready to sing the alphabet song with me? We've been practicing, so I know you're really great. Here we go. A, apple. A, acorn. B, bell. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. E, eagle. F, fox. G, goat. H, horse. I, Indian. I, ice cream. Now, if you noticed, I emphasize the sound that each letter makes. I do that on purpose so the children can hear the sound, because otherwise I think it gets just forgotten about by the child because they're so excited that they see the object and know what it's named. So I do that because it's so important that we know the letter name and the sound that the letter makes. So when you sing it, if you could do that too, I think that would be great for children to pick up on it a little bit easier. I am looking at these two letters today. Can you tell me what this letter is? C. Yes. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. And what about this letter? D. Duh. Dominic, we have some friends in our class who start with the letter D. Now, when we are using markers on letter worksheets, one thing that we've done and taught the children to do and are teaching every time we do this is tracing. So they can look at the letter and see the letter individually. Like, oh, that's the letter C. These lines and these curves make up this letter. So I have gotten into the habit of doing this with the kids each time. And one thing that we talk about also is using our finger to trace. When we're using markers to color, we use markers also. But one thing you can do is use your finger to trace. So friends, put up your pointer finger, your tracing finger, number 1. And we are going to trace the letter C. When we trace, we start at the top and go down. So when I'm tracing the letter C, we start at the top, we go down the letter C and around. So let's try that again. If your pointer finger gets tired, just shake it. Say, wake up, pointer finger. So start at the top and go down and around. Awesome. Now let's do the same thing with the next letter. What letter was this? Yeah, the letter D. Great. So we're going to start at the top, go down, and then go around. Almost looks like a racetrack. So with our pointer finger, we'll go down and then around. Awesome. Good job today. See you later, alligator.